started coming here. I started coming here, again I'm late, then I do not know what is the event. Abhinandan here on 7th December 2025. Lot of crowd here. Here, Christmas starts earlier. Huge crowd.
¡Feliz Navidad para todos los niños! ¡Todos gritan! ¡Feliz Navidad! ¡Dos, tres! ¡Feliz Navidad para todos los niños!
So there was some
No, no se escucha.
beauty contest.
¡Feliz Navidad para
I
todos
think
los
I
niños!
missed
¡Feliz
it.
Navidad! ¡Dos, tres! ¡Feliz Navidad para todos los niños!
¡Feliz Navidad!
Muy bien. Por este otro lado, gritamos fuerte. ¡Feliz Navidad para todos los niños! Gritan ustedes. ¡Feliz Navidad! Vale, muy bien. Vamos. ¡Feliz Navidad para todos los niños! Muy bien.
Hola, hola. Martin. Estoy aquí con Martin.
A lot of people because it is Sunday. I know I've seen it on Sundays, it will be a lot more people. I thought today I will never record. I should not record. I should save my storage in my memory. But see the crowd here.
Esta Camerata del Oriente. 8 en punto.
Okay, and
Cuidando su asiento.
I thought anyhow Sunday I'll come because there will be huge crowd. But now it is building up more because of Christmas. Sometimes I sit and interact with people and meet sometimes very good people. Okay. I have never seen like this 20 days before itself. 20 days before only. More than 20 days. Yeah, 20 days. The celebration starts. People gather. I thought I'll take a walk. I was sending some messages to the local people who had numbers, had not even contacted. Then for today they have left more near. So you can take a photo later. Excuse me.
Permiso, por favor.
Es que el señor se pasó, que yo también.
So,
Hola, campeón. Hola.
I do not want to. When I'm recording, same thing with this showing it gets bored. So I thought let me move. Oh,
Hola. Una fotito.
all these kind of characters become more. He's a bat lead, Batman or Batwoman. But majority won't know English. When they don't know English, it will be difficult. Sometimes when I sit down, I will have a conversation. 1 out of 10 people will speak good English. So a lot of crowd, and there will be one market over there, a flea kind of market. I'll go there. Here you find some about 15% Europeans. Okay, unlike La Paz. La Paz is mostly the ingenious people, the local people of this place. So I'm not going to subtitle this video because it is not a business talk video. Once again, this is at Santa Cruz, Bolivia. I'll come once again, I'll take a walk and come back. So nice to look at people of different places. Let me go inside, but not talk over there. I still have not gone to the top of the tower. I will plan to go sometime at 3 p.m. so that it will be bright sunlight. These are all churches built very long back. So it will have a full mass. I think it is finished right now. I wish I had come little early. Every time I think I should come by 5:30 or 6 o'clock. I'm so lucky that I've got a place here which may be about 5 minutes or 7 minutes walk from here. Okay. So at the side of this church is like this kind of flea market which starts from Friday, Saturday and Sunday. More people will be there. I just stroll around just to see that I walk and reach 10,000 steps. Sometime I walk. The last time I walked was very long back. It was more than on November 28th I walked a lot. Okay. So these are the same. This is the back side. I have seen most of these stalls, nothing of much importance. Once in New York, I paid $20 like this for a painting. $20. That was in 2016. How come the brightness has gone? Okay, I'll stop it right now. I will enjoy having a look.
A su corazón, amigo, bueno, completito.
There are more shops, more people. All this does not now interest me because I have all purchased all this kind of things earlier. Only what is essential I require, and all the essential things what I require, I know where is the best place to get it. What is this new shop? So if I'm recording, I cannot have an interaction. Like last time I met a law student who spoke good English while I was recording. That was yesterday only, I think. It's very hot. It is sweating hot and I cannot tolerate it, but it's okay. I'll stop it right now and I'll just go around.